example volume calculation. PV is equal to nRT application. So first problem is calculate volume of 2.5 mole of carbon dioxide at 25 degrees centigrade and 1.2 atm. So now here N is given, that is 2.5 mole of carbon dioxide. T is also given, that is 25 degrees centigrade. We have to convert in Kelvin. So that is 298.15 Kelvin. Pressure is given, that is 1.2 atm. So R is, we already know that 0.08206 liter atm per mole Kelvin. Now we know that PV is equal to nRT. If we rearrange, V is nothing but nRT by P. Now if I plug all these values, that N is equal to 2.5 multiplied with R 0.08206 multiplied with T 298.15 divided by P 1.2. So finally we will get V is nothing but 51.00 liter, means 51 liter. So now here key learning is always convert temperature to Kelvin before the calculation. Okay, fine.